we also need to make it sharp here. So we're going to use another new tool, slide edge tool. That must be in that slide, sorry, tool. Is there any slide edge tool? No. Then edit mesh, mesh, there has to be somewhere in this slide edge. Here it is. So let's select the edges, mesh tool, slide edge. Once you go to it, just middle mount and slide. You see it's sliding through the loops, it's not going out. So all you need to go to the slide edge tool, middle mouse, and move your cursor left, right. So we need a sharper here, so I will just slide it down. I will select this and will also slide it. We need to move this. So this is not holding. We need to put some hold edges so it hold the shape. Let's go to edge mode and we will bevel this. That's too big. That will do. We select face, extrude face. Let's do the offset. If it's holding a shape here, let's put a hold here by adding a loop. Now it's going towards the center. We need to have it here, so we'll do it relative. Okay, so we'll talk about the holding edge concept. When we apply smooth, it tends to go toward the next loop. So if we apply a loop here, it will hold the shape. Now it's more defined. You can see it's not much defined here, but if we apply the loop, it will try to hold the shape. We need it sharp here. We'll just apply the loops and remove this. We are getting the shape. Okay, so this is okay, this is how it looks. This is something like this. This need to go longer. Let's stretch it. Okay, this is good so far. We need to scale it little in this direction. This one too, maybe this one too. Okay. We don't have a lot of view here. Same goes here. We need to hold here, but we don't need to hold here. If we apply a insert edge loop tool, it holds the shape here, but we don't need to hold it here. How are we going to solve that? Let's apply the loop for now. Oh, it's messing around here. It's going here and making a loop coming back. So we break it. We don't need loop from here. This needs to be a single loop here. So let's delete from here. We don't need these loops. It's messing my shape. So okay, nothing will get passed from here. We will sort it. Okay, now let's put the loop here.